Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 11 from 2023 November-December WASSCE General Mathematics Examination. And it says, a point P into 2 minus 1 and the line x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0 are in a plane. If the line intersects at a point Q, find I the coordinate of Q, I the equation of the line which passes through P and Q, I line PQ. B, if log x minus 2 base B minus log y base B equals to 3, find y in terms of x and b. So here, first of all, we are going to look at the first part of the question, and it is a simultaneous equation. So we have solution. We divide our board into 2. We are given x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0, and 2x minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0. We call this equation 1. And we call this equation 2. So in this case, from equation 1, we are going to make x the subject of the expression and substitute into equation 2 for us to find the value of y. From equation 1, we have x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x in this case equals to 4y minus 1. So the whole of this will be transposed into this other side where we have this. So we'll substitute. This is our equation 3. Substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So we are going to substitute x equals to 4y minus 1 into equation 2. So equation 2, we have 2x. Anywhere we see x, we put 4y minus 1 minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0. So in this case, we expand this. We have 8y minus 2. 2 times 4y is 8y. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3y, we bring down this one. Minus 3 equals to 0. So in this case, we have minus 2 minus 3. So we bring down 8y minus 3y. Minus 2 minus 3y is minus 5 equals to 0. 8y minus 3y is 5y minus 5 equals to 0. So in this case, we have 5y equals to 5. And 5 here equals to 5 all over 5. So here, our y equals to 1. Because 5 will cancel here, 5 will cancel here. So the value of y equals to 1. So we have y there as 1. So we are going to substitute y back to equation 1. So our equation 1 was x equals to 4y minus 1. So here we have x equals to 4 times 1 minus 1. So here x equals to 4 times 1 is 4 minus 1. So our x equals to minus 1. Our x equals to 3. So the value of y equals to 1. And the value of x equals to 3. So in this case, we have, the question says that we should, the coordinate of Q. So our Q, the coordinate of Q here equals to, this will be 3, 1. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So this is the coordinate of Q. That is for I. For II, the equation of the line which passes through P and Q. So we explain this. So it says that the equation of the line which passes through P and Q. So the equation equals to y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So this is the equation. So in this case, we'll make m the subject of the expression. Therefore, y minus y1 all over x minus x1 equals to m. So here will become, this is at a point when q equals to 3 and 1. And our p here equals to 2 and minus 1. So in this case, we'll have here as this is our x and this is our x1, this is x and this is x1 and this is y and this is y1. So we are going to substitute this into here so that we'll have the value of m. So in this case, our y is 1 minus our y1 is minus 1 all over x. Our x here is 3 minus our x1 is 2 equals to m. So when we subtract this, 1 minus minus 1 will become 2 all over 3 minus 2 will become 1. Therefore, m equals to 2. So the value of m here equals to 2. So now we are going to substitute this value of m into this our equation at a point. At this point, p into 2 minus 1. So at this point, we are going to substitute this into this our equation and we have it as, this is our x1 and this is our y1. So we will substitute into this our equation. So we have y minus our y1 is minus 1 equals to our m, which is 2, into x minus our x1 here is 2. So we have 2. So here we are going to clean this and move over to this other side. So when we have this, y minus minus 1 will become y plus 1 equals to 2 into x minus 2. Then we have this, we need to expand this when we have y plus 1 equals to 2x minus 4. So in this case, we will collect like terms. When we collect like terms, we have y equals to 2x minus 4. This will transpose into the other side. We have minus 1. So here y equals to 2x minus 5. So by rearranging this, we'll have 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. We have this as an equation for II that was asked, the equation of the line which passes through P and Q. Then the number 3, which is III. So for III, we are asked to find the line PQ. So line PQ, we are going to use this equation. Line PQ squared equals to x1 minus x all squared plus y1 minus y all squared. So in this case, we have, for us to find line PQ, we have to find the square root of both sides, which will become square root of x1 minus x all squared plus y1 minus y all squared. So this is the equation that we are going to use for us to find line PQ. So in this case, we move over to this other side. So with this equation for line PQ, where we have P, which is 2 minus 1, and Q is where we have our Q as 3 and 1. So we are going to substitute the value of this. So in this case, we have our x here and we have our x1. So we have our y and we have our y1. So to substitute this into here, we have line PQ equals to square root of, when we have x1, our x1 is 3 minus our x here is 2 all squared plus our y1 here is 1 minus our y here is minus 1 all squared. So in this case, 3 minus 2, we have 1 squared plus 1 minus minus 1, we have 2 squared. So here is square root. So therefore, this is line PQ. Therefore, line PQ equals to square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared, which is 4, equals to 5. So line PQ equals to root 5. That is for III. Then we have B. Then we need to clean this. Then we have log x minus 2 base B minus log y base B plus 3. Let's say this equals to 0. So in this case, we have log, we can rewrite this as base B into x minus 2 plus 3 equals to log y base B. So this is the same thing as log x minus 2 base B plus 3 times 1 equals to log y base B. Here we have 1. 1 is the same thing as log b base B equals to 1. So we are going to substitute this into where we have this. So we have log x minus 2 base B plus 3 log b base B equals to log y base B. So here 3 can go here. So we have log x minus 2 base B plus log b raised to the power of 3 base B equals to log y base B. So here, by law of logarithm, we can bring this one together. This way, we have, when we have log, let's rewrite this so that we will understand what we are doing. Log b raised to the power of 3 equals to log y base B. So in this case, this is the same thing as log base B into x minus 2 times b raised to the power of 3, because it is additional sign. When the two of them come, we turn to multiplication, the same base. This equals to log y base B. So here we have base B here, base B here. So these two will cancel each other, and we are now left with y equals to x minus 2 into b raised to the power of 3. So in any way, we can also write it at y equals to b raised to the power of 3 into x minus 2. Either of the two answers are correct. So this is the value of y in terms of x and b. Value of y in terms of x and b. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.